Some Caltech programs involve cutting-edge items and technologies that are regulated for national security reasons. This means there are U.S. government regulations that you must comply with, especially if your research involves a foreign national or foreign entity and any sensitive items or technologies. The laws, known as the Export Control Regulations, are administered by various U.S. government departments. They cover the transfer of export-controlled tangible commodities and software, and can also apply to the transfer of related technical data or technical assistance to a foreign person or entity in the U.S. or abroad. Not all of Caltech's research activities are excluded from the export control requirements as fundamental research. We'll point out the red flags that can put your project outside the government's definition of fundamental research and can result in additional government restrictions. Key red flags to look for are travel or other activities involving sanctioned or embargoed countries. These pose the highest risk, but there are many others depending on your research or activities. Any transaction with U.S. or foreign individuals or entities designated as restricted by the U.S. government. Stop if you think you have a transaction with a restricted party. The government controls certain items with military or space applications, such as rockets, payloads, related electronics and software, as well as dual-use items with commercial and military applications. Here are some other areas of research that can also be controlled. Contracts or agreements encompassing publication restrictions or approval beyond a nominal review, access restrictions, or the need to transfer export-controlled information or items to campus. Any plans for international travel involving export-controlled items or technical data. Plans to publish any ITAR or export-controlled information. Commingling of export-controlled information from third parties, including JPL, with the results of your research. Any transfer of export-controlled information to a foreign person in any manner. Shipping export-controlled items overseas. Non-compliance with the export control regulations can result in fines, imprisonment, and loss of your reputation, and can put Caltech at risk. If you see any red flags, contact Caltech's Export Compliance Office. We have experts on the regulations that can help you achieve your research goals while remaining compliant. Visit Caltech's Export Compliance Office today for more information. Call us anytime with questions.